The Future of the UK Economy with AI and Robotics by Reginald Twiddlebottom. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence and robotics transform every corner of the UK economy. Traditional jobs as we know them today are gradually replaced by machines, and the nature of work evolves. But with this change comes a vital question. How do we ensure a fair society? One where free healthcare, free education, and social justice remain the cornerstones of our national values. To make this future sustainable, we would need significant changes in tax policies, economic frameworks, and social systems. Part 1. Rethinking taxes in an automated world. First, let's explore new tax models. We might see the introduction of a robot and AI tax. Imagine companies that use robots and AI systems instead of human workers. They would pay a tax on this automation based on the savings they gain. These funds could then support universal income programs, so everyone benefits from increased productivity. Another idea is a data and algorithm tax. Data is the fuel of AI, and companies profiting from data could contribute a portion back to society. This would ensure that the benefits of data-driven insights are shared across the population. Additionally, we may need to adjust wealth and capital gains taxes. As wealth becomes concentrated in the hands of those who own these advanced technologies, a fairer distribution of profits from AI would require higher taxes on investments and estates. This approach could help fund essential services. A further option is to fund a universal basic income, or UBI, through a higher VAT on luxury goods. By focusing on luxury items, the tax wouldn't burden everyday consumers, while still generating funds to support basic income for all. Part 2. New economic policies for a changing workforce. To ensure economic security for all, universal basic income, or UBI, could become a cornerstone policy. UBI would provide everyone with a stable income, helping to maintain purchasing power as traditional jobs shift or disappear. This policy could reduce inequality and ensure everyone shares in the benefits of AI advancements. Additionally, we might embrace flexible work weeks and reduced working hours. With AI boosting productivity, people could work shorter weeks. This way, jobs are shared among more people, and quality of life improves as work-life balance is prioritized. A strong focus on reskilling and lifelong education would also be essential. As technology changes, so too would the skills in demand. Free access to training in areas that complement AI, such as creativity and problem-solving, could ensure that the workforce remains adaptive and relevant. We might also consider public ownership of key AI infrastructure. By maintaining public control over crucial AI resources, we could prevent monopolies from gaining too much power and ensure that profits from AI advancements contribute to the public good. Part 3. Maintaining free healthcare and education. Now let's consider healthcare and education. The government could make significant investments in AI for public health. AI could streamline healthcare delivery, lowering costs while increasing efficiency. Imagine virtual health assistants, AI-driven diagnostic tools, and robotic surgeries in every hospital. These advancements would make it possible for the National Health Service, or NHS, to serve more people with fewer resources while maintaining high-quality care. In education, AI could create personalized learning experiences for each student. By partnering with educational technology companies, the government could ensure that every child has access to high-quality digital resources without burdening the public sector. Regulations would be necessary to keep these technologies accessible and fair. Part 4. Ensuring social justice and inclusion. Social justice must be central in an AI-driven society. New employment rights and AI legislation could be introduced to prevent discrimination and protect against biases in AI-driven hiring practices. Transparent and auditable AI algorithms would ensure fairness in hiring and promotion, supporting a diverse and inclusive workforce. Additionally, citizens could be given rights over their personal data. Picture a system where companies profit from people's data, and each citizen receives a dividend. This would empower individuals and give everyone a stake in the data economy, helping to offset income inequality. AI tax revenues could also support social inclusion programs, creating a fairer society where everyone has access to advanced technology and educational resources, regardless of their background. Part 5. Ethical AI development and regulation. Finally, A national AI ethics committee could oversee the ethical aspects of AI. This independent body would evaluate the impacts of AI advancements on society, promoting public trust and upholding social values. Every AI system would need to be transparent and accountable to prevent exploitation and maintain public confidence. In this vision of the future, the UK doesn't simply respond to the impacts of AI. It actively shapes policies to ensure that AI and robotics create a fairer, more inclusive society. By rethinking taxes, embracing new economic policies, investing in health and education, supporting social justice, and regulating AI development, the UK could thrive in an AI-driven world. This future is within reach, with the right vision, determination, and collaboration to make it a reality.